Gotta make it official, guys. Gotta put the sticker. Well, we went to Buffalo Wild Wings. They never took our order, so we just placed the order online. And we're waiting like 30 minutes for it to be ready, but we came to get some gas. I thought Luis was messing around when he said that the battery on this car sucked and the car doesn't turn on. So we're kind of stuck here. We contacted Axel, but Axel lags all the time, so we just told him for him not to come. That's how the battery looks like. 5-year-old battery. How do you feel, Luis?
Fucking mad, bro. Come over.
Fuck, dude. We're starving right now too. Oh man. All right, so the employee was kind enough to help us. So hopefully we jump it, then we drive back to Luis's, get my car, his car, and then come back and pick up the food. Adventure time. Thank you, Chevron, for helping us. All right, guys, big moment right here. 999 miles. It's been over a month now that I've owned the car. Let's see if I can capture it. Sorry for the shaky quality I'm driving. Come on. All right, I'm hopping on the freeway right now. There we go, 1,000 miles. Oh, such a big accomplishment. Does anybody want to guess what's inside here? Ordered it on December 30th. It's January 10th now. So pretty much like 10 days, 11 days later. Let me show you guys what I ordered. The packaging isn't bad. That's so cool. Bubble wrap. Welcome back, guys. Welcome to another video. And before I start off the video, please hit that subscribe button. Helps out the channel a lot, and I really appreciate it. On today's video, I ordered this online. It's a non-STI STI push button, start button, and we're gonna be replacing this right here. It comes with the little tools, little panel removal tool, and then this thing to kind of go behind it and pop it out. So I'll show you guys how to do it. It's really simple, and it's gonna be a quick little video for you guys. Kind of wanted to just make it look a little bit cooler, wanted it to stand out. I love the all black combo, but I think a little touch of red wouldn't hurt. If I could find a blue one, that would be awesome, but for now I'm gonna stick with red. If I could find black chrome, that would be awesome as well, so I could replace this with black chrome and this. I'm not the biggest fan of regular chrome, just looks a little too tacky for me. So this is how the front of the button looks. Feels really good. It's textured. It has a little hole for a light, and this is how it looks like in the rear. Pretty much just, you know, just like a clip where just you pop out the old one, put the new one, and yeah. So what you're gonna do is grab this. The thing did break off, but you push it in, and then you pry it, and then you twist it like that, and it's gonna pop off from right here, and then you're just gonna go around the corners and pop the rest of it out. And it is held by little clips, so just be careful when you're popping it out. And look at that, no scratches at all. So we're gonna set this aside right here. Now it's time to remove this, and then you're gonna wiggle it in. I did find it a little bit easier. If you just broke it off. And then I tried using this, but it's easier if you had pliers, just to kind of like make it a little bit shorter. But I was able to hook this one on, and then you're just gonna like pry it out from the corners little by little. So it's been a few days. Ran into some complications with this. As you can see, it does not look like how I showed you guys before, because unfortunately the OEM one is this style. It's like a square ovalish design. It's like a squarish design, and the one I ordered, if you guys remember, it was like straight, and then it had a little notch, and then straight again. So what I did was I ended up using a Dremel, and I just cut off these parts, and I just left this tab so I could kind of hold from the top and from the sides. This is how it looks like. I actually like it like this, I'm not gonna lie. I wish I had a 3D printer already so I could just 3D print a part, and I would most likely leave this just bare. I feel like that looks like a really cool design in my opinion. The camera's not gonna capture it, but let me see if I could turn. I'm lowering the aperture, and that actually does not look bad. If you guys can see, it's almost like an emerald ruby. Nice. So I'm gonna try this and see if it actually hooks on correctly and it's not loose. So let's go ahead and put it on. Let me just turn off the vehicle because it was in accessory mode. Ooh, nice. That actually looks pretty good. It turns on. Obviously accessory mode. And it's not loose at all. It's actually on there. Nice. I'm actually really happy with this because I actually goofed myself and I kind of scratched the corners up. But let's ignore that. And here's my guilty pleasure, guys. If you guys don't know, Trader Joe's got some of the best chocolates out there. Shout out to Sharon for putting me on this chocolate, and then shout out to Fidel for working at Trader Joe's and hooking it up with the discount, which you didn't have to. Honestly, I would pay full price. If not, I would even pay double for these chocolates. They're so good. They make a couple of varieties. Definitely go check it out, guys. And no, Trader Joe's is not sponsoring this build today. All right, if anybody's ever wondering if a BRZ is practical, obviously it is. We got this little cabinet thing. I shouldn't say little because this thing's so heavy. It's probably weighs as much as I do. And we pulled the stuff. We pulled the back seats down, and I have some stuff in my trunk that I gotta take out. So hopefully it fits through here. The width looks pretty good. I think it will be good. It fits with the seats down. I just gotta, I don't know why I have my steamer in here, and well, it's good to have coolant. Nice. So I just got off work, and the other day me and Rodolfo went to downtown to go look at this car shop, and when we were leaving to Valley Fair, we passed by the street and I saw that there was a 2022 BRZ. Same color as mine, World Rally Blue. So right now I'm actually gonna pass by it to see if it's still there, just so I could, like, you know, record this for you guys. Because literally this is the first, see if it's there. Let's see if it's, oh dude, I literally thought that was a car. Actually, let's see, let's go this way. Let's see. Oh, look at that, guys. World Rally Blue. That is so funny. Let's do a little U-turn real quick. Look at that, guys. A World Rally Blue one. Nice car, man. I'm glad I'm not the only person that has the car now. Now more and more people are getting the car, and I really want to start seeing more colors besides World Rally Blue. And one thing I want to say, when I was parting out my 17 and I was selling all the parts, like my carbon fiber hood, wing, my side skirts, my STI lip, all this other stuff that I was parting out and selling, it was so cool encountering all these other people that have the car, the previous generation, and they ended up like getting so excited for this car, because obviously when I got it, I doubt I was the first person in Northern California, even though I did make a clickbait thumbnail for one of my videos when I got the car. That's what the salesman said, but I felt like it was very low. Like you didn't really see too many of these, just because there wasn't too many of them. They were really hard to find. And every person I sold my parts to, they enjoyed it. They had so much, like, they loved it, and they had, like, you know, they were so excited. It was like a kid in a candy store, like, holy crap, like, you know, it's like kind of like not a unicorn, but it was like, dude, that's so cool that you have the car. And all of them, I would tell them, like, yo, sit in it, dude. You guys want to drive it, go for it. Like, you know, I'm gonna have this car, I'm gonna be driving it every day. Some of you guys are either gonna get motivated to trade in your car to get these cars, or, you know, are gonna keep your car. And I wanted all these people that I met up with to enjoy the car, sit in it. I popped the hood, and, you know, I literally told every single one of them, I was like, bro, drive it, man. I'm not really tripping, as long as you guys know how to drive manual. Now I'm super excited to know more people that actually have the car.